Are you feeling suffocated by clutter? Do you dream of having a minimalist home but find yourself surrounded by unnecessary items? It's time to declutter your space and reclaim your peace of mind. One effective approach to achieving a clutter-free home is by identifying things you can do without. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Today I'll cover 25 things you can do without to maintain a minimalist home. Stay tuned to the very end of this video for more free organizing help, including my free homemaking ebook. Here are 25 practical suggestions to help you streamline your living space and embrace simplicity. Duplicate kitchen gadgets. Assess which kitchen tools you truly use and donate or sell the duplicate items. Having one high-quality chef's knife can often replace a drawer full of specialty knives. Next is excessive cookware. How many pots and pans do you actually use on a regular basis? Pare down to the essentials for your cooking needs. Next is single-purpose appliances. Do you really need the avocado slicer or egg boiler? Instead, opt for versatile tools that can perform multiple functions. Next is unused clothing. It's time to get ruthless with your wardrobe. Donate or sell items you haven't worn in the past year or ones that no longer fit your style. Next on the list is old magazines and newspapers. You can keep digital copies of articles or switch to online subscriptions to reduce your paper clutter. How about all of those unused gadgets? From old phones to outdated electronics, clear out the devices you no longer need or use. Next on the list is expired pantry items. Routinely check your expiration dates and discard any food items that are past their prime. Don't keep unused or broken furniture if you don't plan to repair it. Evaluate whether each piece of furniture serves a purpose or adds value to your space. Consider selling or donating items that are no longer functional or needed. Next, look at your excessive bedding and linens. Keep only what you need for your current bedding set and your guest. You can donate those extras to shelters or to textile recycling programs. Go through any unused gift wrap and supplies. Streamline your gift wrapping stash and keep only what you will realistically use. Next on my list are old toiletries and cosmetics. Check expiration dates and toss any products that are past their prime or that you haven't used in months. Consider decluttering any unused exercise equipment. If your treadmill has become a clothes rack, it's probably time to let it go. Stick to the exercise equipment you actually use and enjoy. Consider all of your obsolete paperwork. Shred or digitally scan outdated documents and paperwork to free up space in your filing cabinets. Declutter your unused hobby supplies. Be honest about your hobbies and interests. Donate or sell supplies for projects that you no longer have time for or aren't passionate about anymore. Next on my list is excess glassware and coffee mugs. Keep only what you need for everyday use and for entertaining guests. How about those unused children's toys? Involve your kids in the decluttering process and donate toys they no longer play with to children in need. Next on my list is unused decorations. Pare down your decorations to pieces that truly bring you joy or ones that hold sentimental value. Next, we'll look at excess stationery and office supplies. Keep only what you routinely use and donate surplus items to schools or to community organizations. Declutter any unused or duplicate cleaning products. Simplify your cleaning routine by sticking to a few multi-purpose products. Next on my list are shoes and accessories. Streamline your shoe collection and accessories to items that you wear regularly and love. Declutter any unused or broken outdoor equipment. Look at your outdoor gear and donate or sell items that are no longer in usable condition or items you rarely use. Now it's time to declutter any obsolete instruction manuals. Most user manuals are available online now. You can recycle or digitize paper manuals to free up drawer space. Declutter any unused spare parts and hardware. Sort through your collection of spare parts and hardware and dispose of items that are no longer relevant or useful. Next, look at doing a digital declutter. Declutter any unused subscriptions. Cancel subscriptions to services or memberships that you no longer enjoy. Finally, last on the list is excessive sentimental items. While it's important to cherish memories, it's also liberating to let go of items that no longer serve a purpose or bring you joy, or items that carry bad memories. Keep only the most meaningful mementos and consider photographing or digitizing others. By following these suggestions, you can reduce clutter in your home and create a more peaceful and functional home. Remember, the key to maintaining a clutter-free home is regular maintenance and mindful consumption. Embrace the freedom that comes with letting go of unnecessary possessions and surround yourself with the things that truly matter to you. If you need to do more deep cleaning, I have checklists and guides to help you with that over at dmiddleton.com or at the link below. I have a free housekeeping ebook entitled Makeover Your Homemaking. If housekeeping is an area that you struggle with, this ebook will guide you in creating your own housekeeping schedule. I try to cover everything from balancing your bank balance to cleaning your kitchen. I will link that information for you in this video description. If you're looking to get more organized, I can help with that too. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. If you find it a struggle to get organized, there's likely a good reason why. As a matter of fact, I explore 11 reasons you failed to get organized over on my blog, dmiddleton.com, or you can also find the video series here on my channel on YouTube. If one of these 11 reasons sound familiar to you, I will give you some tips to overcome that obstacle and finally get organized. I will link this information below. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If you are drowning in clutter, let me help inspire you. Clutter doesn't have to ruin your space. We are going to banish it. I do a year-long thorough declutter series over on the blog. In my series, we declutter 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. If that is something you need to do, join me at the link in this video description. You will receive a daily task and a weekly email. By the time you complete my series, you will have decluttered every room and space in your home. I have declutter lists for each room over at dmiddleton.com. I want to inspire you to create a home for everything and make your housework more manageable and less time-consuming. Once the clutter is gone, you will spend far less time cleaning house. So don't keep things around that take up your valuable space and time. Declutter it. Check out the links below to get started. Thanks for watching.